Need help, guys. I just put a header wrap on this and made a header just because it actually stays a lot cooler when I'm driving with it like that. What I need help with is this torque converter. I just ordered 2 new Kevlar belts, and so far they've been holding up where the other one, eBay one, just disintegrated. See, Kevlar made in India, blah blah blah. Well, you see right here, it's loose enough. Let's see. It's loose enough where it could just slide around that pulley, but every time you start the engine, it still engages. The bearing down there, everything still engages. You can see it's compression stroke. So I'll start the engine to show you. Turn it on. Let's see if I can do this. I'll push the brake, and it's still got so much torque, it still pushes the wheel even when he's sitting on it. And if you push the brake too hard, it just dies. That head wrap's just cooking. It's brand new. If you know what's going on, can you at least make a video or send me a link or tell me something as to why that, I mean, that bearing over there, the copper or brass bearing, when this is apart, it spins freely. You can even spin it with your finger. I don't know. Let me know what you think.